YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If so, my affiliate link will be down below, and also their website. So either or, all you gotta do is click the link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. What is inside? That was easy. Ooh. Yep, this is an Amazon. So, who is this coming from? Oh, MAGCHARM portable neck hanging fan. It has LED lights. Rechargeable battery pack. So hopefully got enough juice. You can take it on your night walks and day walks. You know, take your dog for a walk. Ooh. I think that's it inside. Yep, empty. Yeah, this is what it looks like in the package. Must be the USB cable. The basic MAGCHARM. Keep that guy over there. Look at this little thing. Oh, very flexible. You do the little dance. The worm. Maybe take this to the baseball stadium. Soccer field. Here's the button. Where do you charge? Right there. Here's another button. Oh, there's events right there. Whoa. Aha. Oh, that's cool. Try this for a second. Oh, wow. I'm impressed. Gotta find out where the button is. Okay, the one on the left side is going to be the control speeds. Whoa. Yeah, if you guys are doing yard work, if your dad's cutting the lawn, this would be a nice little Father's Day gift. Check this out. Got the lights. Right there. Could feel it for sure. This feels really cool. Oh, wow. It cools you off in a few seconds. This is nifty. Okay, so here's changing the lights. You got different modes. Got the red. Got the off. Green. I like green. Be nice for night walks. And I mean, it's not even loud for the next person to hear it. So this is crazy though. I like this. This is really cool. So like I said, if you guys are in the market looking for something different to give to yourself or a gift for somebody, like delivery drivers or you name it, this is definitely coming in handy, especially now we got the heat wave coming. I'm telling you guys, this would be a nasty week coming up, starting what, Monday or Tuesday. So you guys might want to start ordering these couple for your family, your kids. But don't dip it in water, because I don't think this is waterproof. Let me double check. Lithium battery. Do not leave product in state of no power for a long time. Here, customers. I don't know if it's waterproof. Okay, gear control. Total of 3 gears. So we already showed the 3 gears. And we heard it, so that's really cool. There are a total of 4 colors by pressing the light button for 3 times, which we did. About charging. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge the product. When the charges red LED light remains on, it's fully charged. Okay. I think that's it. Red, green, yellow. Should be waterproof. Doesn't say do not. Anything about dipping. Do not fold the product. Just air outlets, hanging those. I already showed how it looks around the neck. But, I'll give it a try, guys. MAGCHARM. This is really nice, though. Super cool. I mean, I can feel it from here, too. Just by pointing at the phone, I can feel it. So it does good amount. Put these around your neck. Do some yard work, gardening. It's very lightweight, too, so it won't be in your way. You can still listen to your headphones or your AirPods. So definitely check these guys out. MAGCHARM. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.